Hey everybody, welcome back to Drifting Tonight. I'm your host, Greg Bucell. I'm actually gonna, okay. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I'm Greg Bucell. This is Drifting Tonight. We're filming out at beautiful Koru Works in Atlanta, Georgia, home of my job and where I make my money. So, I actually want to talk about drifting on this episode. We've had a few episodes now, and I haven't really talked about drifting, just kind of whatever I wanted to. But I'm going to focus in on what this show's title actually is, and that's Drifting Tonight. That is Drifting Tonight. And I'm going to start it by tooting my own horn. I'm tooting my own horn on this one, okay? Koru Works, Formula Drift, Texas. We killed it. We absolutely killed it. Okay, you got Garrett Denton. Okay, people have been sleeping on Garrett Denton, but I know Garrett Denton. I saw him through the Pro-Am days. I was scouting him. I seen him. Okay, and he put down some of the best tandem runs in Pro 2. And now finally, I've been preaching people. Like, Garrett Denton's one of the best. Watch out for Garrett Denton. Garrett Denton's one, and every time he's either wrecked his car or it's blown up or something. But finally, Garrett Denton, you made me not look like such a dum-dum, and thank you for that, okay? Then we got Alec Robbins. Alec Robbins, I love the dude. He's from Midwest, got a funny accent, but the dude is like Mr. Consistent. Seriously, he could just go out there. The car was built in like a barn, I'm pretty sure. It's got like a truck engine and stuff, and he borrowed some head studs off another engine he found. Like, the dude's reckless, and God, is he a ripper. He ended up top 16 somewhere. He did great. Thank you, Alec Robbins, for making Koru Works look great. But there's one person I want to highlight right now, okay? And it's Ryan Litteral, that shitbag Ryan. One of my best friends. I hate him to death. He did so good. I can't call our driver a shitbag. Now I'm thinking about it. I can't. Yo, let's talk about this guy right here, though. Ryan Litteral. Okay, Formula D, Texas. Dude got 8th place. Okay, I'm a spotter, so, I maybe toot my own horn right here, but the dude was a murderer. He just went out there, slayed tires right on everybody's damn door, and really honestly shocked me. Like I said, I'm his spotter, and I didn't know he had it in him. Like some of his tandem runs were phenomenal. He almost hit the wall a few times. I told him he needs to get away from the wall. I'm over there, I'm the spotter, I'm like, yo, I see you getting close to that wall, man, but I can't be fixing this car, I don't know how to work on cars. So if you wreck it, we done. And the dude's getting closer and closer to the wall. Stop. Ryan Litteral, stop trying to give the fans what they want and keep the car in one piece. I can't.
That got him to the top.
Got him to the top. Yo, so on top of Ryan running Formula D, killing it throughout the whole season, he threw a Voodoo Ride, the car detail company. He threw an event at their warehouse. So he ran like a little layout there. It was invite only to a lot of cool people, but then like open to the public as well for them to watch. There's a full-blown drift event in the back of a business complex. It's like an homage to the days of starting out drifting, doing it illegally, but it was legal. Nobody went to jail or anything. Killer footage of the whole thing. A lot of good media there. Speaking of media, okay, I got a bone to pick with all the media. You too, yeah, you and you. All the media. Got a bone to pick. No? I gotta get this point across.
Okay, bone.
I gotta get this point across. I love drone footage. Sick, nasty, awesome drone footage. But we can't have a 7-minute long edit of drone footage. So help me help you, okay? Dabble the drone footage in there. Just kind of wheeze it in there, Don't let me notice it too much, because you're going to get me dizzy. I can't watch a drone for 7 minutes and understand what's going on at Drift Event. I'm just not into it. I'm sorry. Great footage. Great job, everybody, but I don't like it. It's not even drifting related. I said I was going to talk about drifting tonight. I have to talk about drifting tonight. I told him I would. This guy Krispy and his crew, I think it was like a 9-person film crew, they did a full 30-minute recap of GridLife Midwest. If you haven't seen this video yet, I don't know what you're doing. Just give yourself 30 minutes of time, okay? That's half of the Orange is the New Black. That's half of whatever else you're listening to. That's 1/4 of half these podcasts. Give yourself 30 minutes to watch this Krispy video. The editing's phenomenal. I literally cried watching it. You can call me a whip if you want. I cried. It was emotional. I got emotional. It was a great video, and I haven't cried during a car video ever. Hit me.
Fast and Furious.
I did cry during Fast and Furious. Tokyo Drift though, not the other ones. Just when Han died. bawling like a baby in the movie theater. The RX-7 got hit. I was crying when the RX-7 got hit. Then when I found out he died, I was really crying. If you see some rad shit on the internet, send it into our link below. Toodaloo. Am I out of frame?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, check it. Look at Voodoo Ride. Ryan threw a drift event at this place. And it's
In that can?
this can. Drove around this can as a clipping point all day. Beautiful event.